Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I hope all is well with you wherever you are. This is just going to be a short video on negation in the early West Saxon dialect of Old English. So let's make a start. All right, as usual, in recent videos I've been recording the grammar, the case of each word to give you all a sense of word order and the structure of clauses and sentences. All right, so as usual, nominative is in the red, the accusative in blue, dative in green, genitive in purple, conjunctions are underlined, verbs are in bold, adverbs are in italics, and prepositions are in this orangey brown color. Sorry. All right, now um, let us make a start then. Okay, so in early West Saxon Old English, negation is typically expressed using the word na, meaning not. Now, na is placed before the verb or the adjective that is being negated. So this is similar to how not functions in modern English. So here are a few examples. Na that an that god su soth. Okay, notice here this is the conjunction is underlined. The verb here is in bold. The negated element here is in italics. Just excuse me a sec, just itchy there. Okay, so this one is saying not that only that God is truth, not only that God is truth. Su, C is another version of it, S long I, and that's is, B. God is the subject, and only that truth. All these things are in the nominative because they refer to God, the subject. Like a compound subject. It's all these things are the subject. So not that God, that only God, truth. Okay, all these things are compound subjects. So there's more than it's not just the one word that's the subject. Okay. Nis solthat sewizaman. It is not true that the wise man, and then there will be something follows on after that, but I've just put a full stop there just for the sake of this example. Na that is the yasaltha. That is not the happiness. All right? Not that is the happiness. That is not the happiness in modern English. Okay, additionally, negation can sometimes be emphasized by using nan. Let's move that up there. By using none means none, not anything, no one, okay, none. Or no, which is modern English no, before the noun, okay. Nan man, near my that dawn. Um, uh, this case, no man, no one, no man. And just point out to you, man in Old English is a general word meaning both sexes. It means person. It doesn't mean as it does in the modern world. It doesn't mean in modern English. In modern English, it means man, the male sex. But in Old English, man referred to person, male or female. Okay, so no man, no one can do that. In modern English, no man can do that. So no person, not, can, that, do. That is the accusative because it's the object of this cannot do, not can do. Okay, so it's in the accusative. Next one is nor that land nis good. No, that land is not good. You can sort of see that. No, not that land, not is good. No, that land is not good. Okay. Now, negation in early West Saxon Old English, like in modern English, is a fundamental aspect of grammar used to express negated statements or to negate verbs and adjectives. So let's go over and have a look at some more examples. Okay, so some more examples here. we have nan man near my that dawn, which we already covered that. No man can do that. Nis or that se wise man. It is not true that the wise man, blah, 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 blah. El richte is, or something like that, you know. Na that is tha yourself, that is not the happiness. No thu erd, no thara mod. Okay, so you are not of those spirits. Not you are not of those spirits. If you sort of interpret that more literally, it would be no, not you are not of those spirits. Thara is the genitive for those, and when you translate that to modern English, you put an of in front of it because you use the genitive rule. You are not of those spirits. Okay, another one. Nisseo beach northa lazestan. Okay, the book is not the least. All right, you can sort of hear modern English least there. Lazestan. Lazestan. Least. You can sort of hear it there. See how least is like a contraction of this Lazestan. Least. You can sort of hear it in there. It's a hint of it. Anyway. Next one. Nan thar childru near throwian that. None of the children suffer that. None, no one, not any of the children not suffer that. Okay. Thar there is the demonstrative tha and plural and genitive. So when you and childru is children. Excuse me, children. So none of the children not suffer that. And that is in the accusative because it's the object of the verb throwian, throwian, throwian. And here's the subject here with the genitive in the middle here. No eo sulva ne yathingan ye yalicha him. Okay, you yourselves do not thrive like them. So not, no, you plural, as in two or more. Self, sulva, sulva, selves. Sulf would be singular, sulve plural. Not things like them. Okay. You yourselves do not thrive like them. So yathingan is thrive, but to not means not thrive, do not in modern English. Yalicha like, adverb. Him is them. Him could also be singular him, but it could also be plural them. You have to work it out in the context it's in. Okay, now here, number 8, nan water nehaveth saltfastness yameta. No water has measured accuracy. I guess a comment on how hard it is to measure water accurately in those times. Now, in the examples of the on the next two slides, na or no is used to negate a statement, indicating that something is not the case or not true. So this is negating a statement. Okay, and for that we use na or no. Remember, it's long O, so o, no. Okay, here we go. Nis that wisdom swathe wenst. That wisdom is not as you think. So this sentence negates the assumption that wisdom aligns with the listener's expectations. Okay, it negates the whole statement. Nan man near my phonasastan yawindan. So no man can move that stone. Nan man near my phona stan yawindan. Okay, this example negates the ability of the person to move the stone. Maybe I'll just move that there. Notice here, subject, verb, and then the second verb has gone to the end in its infinitive form. Okay, phonastan is the accusative, it's the object of the verb not can, cannot. Okay, just interesting word order there. Up here we have a conjunction, by the way. This is a conjunction. So you have first clause here, miss that wisdom, sawa, thee wentst. Okay, and the verb has gone to the end. Next one. Know that land nis vrijendlich to us. Okay, not is. No, that land is not friendly to us. Not is friendly to us. Okay, here negation is used to indicate that the land is not favourable to the speaker or their group. And I forgot to point up here, no man can move that stone. Nan man near my thonasastan, your windan. No man can move that stone. This example negates the ability of any person to move the stone. And next over, last example for the video. Niseo boch no tha laster. I may have a slight error here. I think this should be just bulk, not bulch. My fault, I've made an error here. It should be nis seo bulk no tha laster. Okay, should be a hard C here, not a palatalized one. The book is not the least. Notice least here, laster, tha laster, least, getting closer to modern English least. This sentence negates the idea that the book is of the lowest quality. All right, that's it today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video and I hope you find it useful. And I hope it helps you form Old English sentences and helps you to speak the language. All right, thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.